Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Today I'm making egg fritters. See this, it looks so crispy. Okay guys, let's see how to make egg fritters. The egg is boiling. Chop the garlic. We'll chop the ginger. That's all I need. Now we'll chop the chilies. Well, the eggs are boiled properly, so I'm going to remove it. Well, remember that the egg should be full boil. We'll let it cool for some time. Okay, now I'm going to remove the eggshell. Now we will use only the egg white. This egg yolk we won't use, so separate it. I will make different curry out of this. I will be using only the white one, so this all the egg white, I'll chop it. Okay, all the egg whites are finely chopped. Now I'm going to keep it in this bowl. Okay, now we'll add all the masalas. First I'll be adding this garam masala. Red chili powder. This is besan. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. This is egg. I will add just half of it. First I will mix this properly and add some salt. Two more spoons I will add. We are going to add some chopped garlic. ginger and green chilies. Mix it nicely. So now our egg batter is ready. Now we'll heat the oil. I'm using this refined oil. We'll wait for the oil to be heated. Okay guys, the oil is heated properly. Time to add the batter. I'm making some space to put one more. Yeah, we should not overcrowd the pan also. See this, it's cooked properly, fried properly. See the color? Just spread some tissue in a plate and remove it here. Okay guys, add just little bit of oil. Once it's heated, add the garlic, green chilies, once the garlic has changed its color, add some dry chilies, now add some curry butter. If you have the fresh one, you can use fresh one. Add this egg fritters in this pan. Just little bit of garam masala. Little bit of chili powder. And little bit of salt. And at last, just 1 spoon of tomato sauce. Well guys, see this. Our egg fritters is ready.